There you go. Okay. Hi everyone, this is Peanuts and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Bonsen kitchen vacuum sealer, and this is the product. I just vacuum sealed it, and these are Yardlong beans. So I have a lot of Yardlong bean harvests from our garden in our backyard, and Yardlong beans, if you don't know them, they are called sitaw in Filipino, and this is very common in the Philippines. We love Yardlong beans. We make a lot of dishes using Yardlong beans, especially pinakbet, which is a Filipino dish. And I planted Yardlong beans in our garden. And in winter, I cannot plant them, obviously. And I usually buy Yardlong beans from the store, and usually they're not fresh. And so, because I have a lot of Yardlong bean harvests from our garden, I decided to buy this Bonsen kitchen vacuum sealer, so I can preserve these and put them in the freezer, and so that I can still eat Yardlong beans fresh from our garden during winter. So I'm going to show you how to use this and how it works, because this is also my first time using this. I just actually unboxed it. So this is the box. It just arrived. So this is a vacuum sealer, again from Bonsen Kitchen. This is Bonsen Kitchen VS2100, and it comes with these bags which are pre-cut. So it comes with, like, this one is 8 inches by 12 inches, and this smaller ones 15 centimeter by 15 centimeters by 25 centimeters. Okay, and I think there are like 20 bags in each bag, and it also comes with this. I haven't figured out how to use this yet, but anyway, I don't think I will do this time. I'm just gonna show you how I vacuum seal the Yardlong beans, because again, I have a lot of Yardlong beans in our garden in the backyard. So I also have some of these which I'm going to cook today, and these are peaches, also fresh from our backyard. If you wanna see my gardening, watch my other videos and how I did the landscaping in our backyard. And so anyway, so I'm going to show you how to use this. Okay, so I just finished this. I'm gonna put them in the freezer, but I still have some here. I washed and dried them and then cut them into this size. Then I'm just gonna put them in the bag, arrange them in the bag like this. They have to be flat. Again, this is my first time using it, and I love this machine. And again, so that it will so I can save all my harvest. Also, I have bitter gourd or bitter melon and palaya in our garden. Have some okra, so I can use this machine to preserve them and put them in the freezer, so I can still eat vegetables. I don't have to buy from the stores during winter or in winter. The hardest part is like arranging them here inside the bag. Yeah, this is how you do it. I want to put all of them here, but I don't think they'll fit, so I think I need another. I think I need one more bag, smaller bag for the rest. So anyway, Yardlong beans, we also put them in our sinigang. I don't know if you've heard about sinigang. That is one like the very popular dish in the Philippines, pork sinigang. It's a pork, obviously, with taro, with okra, with Yardlong beans, and the broth is sour. We either use sampalok or tamarind based soup, and it's really delicious. It's yummy, and we love adding yardlong beans on the in the sinigang. It's hard to arrange, but and this is the hardest part, like arranging the vegetables inside the bag. And this is my first time using it, and I just want to show you how to use it. So I'm in a hurry. But, let's see. So let's seal this. Oh, I forgot to turn it on. I'm gonna put this here under the bag so it will lay flat here. Then just open it and insert this here. It isn't perfect, but it works. Okay, and just press this, and when you hear a click, that means it's ready. And just press the this one here. It says vacuum and seal, so it vacuums and then it seals. And this one is pulse vac. I think this is for like wet food. This one for dry food, and this just figure it out when you buy this thing. But I'm gonna show you how to use it. This one. So we're going to use the vac and seal. There you go. So you can see it. It's shrinking. Oh, it's vacuuming it. See? Look at that. Okay. And when it stops, that means it's done, and you can remove it. You can open it. So that's the indicator. It's off now, so we can open it. Just push these side buttons here, and it will pop up. Okay, like that. And look at that. See? Now we can put this in the freezer, and then we can eat these. We can cook them in winter. This one's small. So this is how I preserve my yardlong beans. It's my first time doing it. And we have more here, so we're just going to use the smaller bag. Again, this is the hardest part, like arranging the vegetables, and I want to make them flat. I don't know if it works if it's not flat, but I think I've seen some vacuum sealed vegetables in stores, and they're always like this, like they're flat. I don't know, maybe because if there's air then inside, if it's not flat, there's air inside. And I think when you freeze them, there are like, how do you call those stuff that what do you call, the forms inside the bag, like the icicles or whatever. They're icy. That's why I think we have to do it like this. It has to be flat. So I think this is just the hardest part, arranging the vegetables to make them flat inside the plastic bag. But sealing them is easy using this machine. Okay. And we're going to seal it closed. Oops. And vacuum seal. Oh, I think it's not inserted correctly. I think because I put so much here. So I'll have to turn it off and open it. Oh, I think because there's the vegetable here. It wasn't closed correctly. Let's see. There you go. Okay. So make sure you close it correctly. Make sure there's nothing that's blocking the lid. And let's just wait for the indicator to turn off. And it's done. So it's fast. It's like only about 10 minutes. I mean 10 seconds. Yeah, there you go. And it's done again. Yeah, so sealing is fast. Just putting the vegetables inside, arranging the vegetables inside the bags is the hardest part of it. Okay, so we're now ready to put this in the freezer, and we still have some Yardlong beans to eat in winter, and I'm gonna harvest more. And again, if you wanna see my other videos about my gardening, about my landscaping, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye.